Rav Saadia Gaon, alav shalom, one time was traveling and he went to a new city. No one knew him. But this gvir, this rich person in the city, saw a Talmid Chacham, says, Chacham, come by me. Invited him in the house, hosted him for a week. Gave him food, gave him bed, treated him really, really well. Nothing missing. After a week, Rav Saadia Gaon says to him, okay, thank you very much. I'm going to leave now. But I appreciate you hosting me very, very kindly, very generously. May Hashem bless you and your family and so on and so forth. He says, Chacham, what's your name? What's your name? Why? For a whole week he's studying Torah. He's not. They're not in the background, in the backyard, playing ball and jumping into the pool. He's hosting him. He gives him food, and he studies Torah all day. So he's not bothering him. So at the end of the week, he still didn't know his name. He says, Chacham, what's your name? So Rav Saadia Gaon says, Saadia. I says, Saadia? You know Rav Saadia Gaon? That's how you were named after him? Yeah, I know him. How do you know him? You know him, he's like family? The guy starts asking questions, afterwards, okay, it's me. The guy starts crying. He starts shaking. What? The Gadol Ador has been in my house for a week? Oh no, oily. He starts crying. He goes, what happened? Why? I can't believe it. You've been in my house. The Gadol Ador, the biggest rabbi in the world for several generations, is in my house for a week. I didn't know, and that's how I'm treating you? He goes, Baruch Hashem, you treat me really well. Every time there was something to eat, there was no room on the table, you gave me so much. What else? What you going to do? No, Kvod Harav, had I known that it's you that's in my house, surely things will be different. Please stay in my house for at least another few days, and let me give you the kavod that you deserve. He says, what would you do? Different. He says, now that I know that you are Rav Saadia Gaon, completely different. Rav Saadia Gaon starts crying. The guy thinks he made the Kvod Harav upset. No, Kvod Harav, I'm sorry. Why make you upset? He goes, no, Ashrecha. You just taught me so much musar. Me? Teach you musar? He says, yeah. He says, you see, every day we thank HaKadosh Baruch Hu for giving us a neshama. And we thank HaKadosh Baruch Hu for giving us the Torah. And we thank HaKadosh Baruch Hu for letting us learn this Torah. And we thank HaKadosh Baruch Hu for doing this and doing this and doing this. And in essence, to use all of these different tools right off the top of the day, what? To revisit HaKadosh Baruch Hu, get to know Him more, at a much better level than the day before. Now you see, yesterday, I served Hashem the best I could. I learned Torah, I did the best I could. Today, I did the best I could also. Problem is, it's the same thing. You just taught me, had you known that I am who you think I am now, surely it would be different. What does it mean? That means that I haven't really served Hashem the proper way since yesterday. Why? Because obviously I should have known Hashem even better as a result of yesterday, today, and serve Him better today. And I didn't. What answer can I give Hashem now? What answer can I give Hashem now that I served Him the same way today as I did yesterday? What answer do I have for Hashem? When a person wants to sanctify themselves, they may not understand the story and how it applies to their personal life in the year 2020, and they're barely 20 years old, but they will understand that this is really the way to do things. Why? When a person has more knowledge, he also has more knowledge about what he's missing. And if Rav Saadia Gaon understood that he's missing, he himself was missing in his own servitude of Hashem, because he didn't serve Hashem even more than he did the day before, that he spent the entire day learning Torah, surely we ourselves have some deficiencies, to say the least. Does that mean that we should be sad? Absolutely not. That will make it worse. We use such information and such stories as a motivator to inspire us to serve Hashem even better every day. Now, When a person understands that HaKadosh Baruch Hu watches everything and understands everything and knows everything, he looks into that in every aspect of his life.